though. That's what I like to do so much to you. So I need to make sure I'm on and just take it off real quick and I'm back on.
That's convenient. Yeah. Like really convenient. With me, I literally can't move this.
Yeah.
I have it to the point where like I don't have to adjust it.
Oh, okay.
I just leave it like that. It's gorilla glued to my mask with a screw. Oh shit! I got you. No problem, bro. Oh, he's hit. Come on. You're hit. Don't. My bad. I thought you were hit. What? Yeah, I shot him too. He put his hand up.
Don't see that shit too, bro?
Dimitri. Guy, big visor. Watch him, please. I shot him. He put his hand up. Then he started playing again, and he traded with this other guy.
With the camera?
Huh? Yeah. Some.
Yo, is that for me, right?
No, I have it on camera. I got you.
That's fucking crazy, bro. All this whole game, bro.
Hey, we have the same gloves.
Yeah.
Grenade. Watch out! I hit. What the fuck was that? Friendly.
Is the camera go over there?
Huh?
Can I go over there without getting shot?
I don't know, I haven't seen over there. You can take the risk if you want.
Do not jump and see over the fence.
How you doing, dude?
One, two, three.
Hey, there's a guy in Greenfield.
Hit.
30 seconds.
Woo! Hey, I'm hit. Let's get it, boys. Oh my God. No. Now watch. Blatant,
Have you got any
Blatant.
good clips?
Yes.
That's good. I wish I had your 8th period, yes. You go ahead.
Yes, mate, it's been very fun.
No, bro.
I love the shit.
Nobody fall this time. You're getting your vibe check.
Yo, wait. What if we vibed?
Wait, let me see.
10 people for the response semi only.
What is that? Dimitri!
Hello, please don't shoot me. I have nothing to get shot, please. Thank you.
Fucking shot me after I shot him, but
Yep. It'd be like that.
let's go.
Let's vibe.